Hello, EdTech enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into something every internet user can benefit from: reducing tab cluster in your browser. And guess what? I've got just the tool to help you do it. It's called OneTab. So what is OneTab, you may ask? Well, imagine you're researching a project or planning a trip, or maybe just indulging in some online shopping. Soon, your browser starts resembling a chaotic jungle of tabs, and your computer starts to slow down, right? Think of OneTab as a powerful extension that lets you organize, optimize, and speed up your browsing experience like never. To get started with OneTab, you first need to install the extension. Luckily, it is that simple. Here is how you do it. Go to www.onetab.com. OneTab is available for all major browsers like Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Safari, including Google Chrome. Scroll a little bit down to your right. Hit the Add OneTab now. Click Add to Chrome. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. And just like that, you've installed OneTab in under 5 seconds. However, remember it is essential to pin the OneTab icon to your browser toolbar for easy access. To do that, go to your extensions, look for OneTab, and click on Pin. And now your OneTab icon is visible on your browser toolbar. Now, let me show you how this game changer works. OneTab simplifies your browsing experience by converting all of your open tabs into a list with just one click. Here is how to use it. Whenever you find yourself overwhelmed with tabs, click the OneTab icon. Watch as OneTab collapses all your open tabs into a single tab, neatly organizing them into a list. When you need to access them, you can either restore them individually or all at once. OneTab packs even more features to enhance your browsing experience. You can easily export and import tabs as a list of URL. Just copy the link and paste in any browser to access the list of tabs. More so, you can create a web page from your list of tabs for easy sharing. And the fun part about this, you can use your phone to scan a QR code and you will be able to access your list of tabs on your mobile device. And reorder your tabs by simply dragging and dropping. And the best part, you won't lose your list of tabs, even if your browser crashes or if you accidentally close the OneTab window. So whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves to browse the web, OneTab is a must-have tool to streamline your online life. Best part, it's absolutely free. Just head over to OneTab website and start organizing, optimizing, and speeding up your browsing today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more educational technology tips. I will see you in the next video. Happy browsing.